under the flagship of Attorney Donato D. Valderas Jr., Schools Division Superintendent, Chief of Curriculum Implementation Division, Sir Orsino C. Pascua, Public Schools District Supervisor, Ma'am Ofero Sal Acohito, Energetic School Principals, Mr. Fredin Fidel S. Doque, Dr. Flor de Lisa C. Domingo, Dr. Edna R. Agbayani, Mr. Zaldi C. Tagala, Mr. Frederick C. Camacho, Mrs. Lisa Irene A. Lutap, and Dr. Daisy A. Vidal. Other school heads, loving teachers, municipal officials led by Honorable Mayor Richard A. Degala, Honorable Vice Mayor Dr. Maribel A. Albano, Sangguniang Bayan members, other guests, visitors, ever-supportive parents, relatives, friends. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. This crowd is a manifestation of eager faces, joining us in our joy to embrace this humble accomplishment with delight in our hearts. As we look back and reflect on the pieces of our past, we can recall countless times of being so dependent, when all we need is your helping hand to guide us. While on our kindergarten days, we wish to always have our parents with us. We felt like crying when they left after dropping us from school. We were so dependent on our teachers. Every time we had our worksheets, we kept on asking them what to do. We longed for their guidance in everything we do. But look at us now. After 7 long years, we are still dependent in you in many aspects of our life. But you know well that we have progressed in many ways to become more independent. Yes, we should be very independent because as we grow up, we need to realize that the best place to find a helping hand is at the end of our own arms. You would be happy to see us someday, finally soaring with our own wings, because you know that in your heart, you were the wind beneath our wings. With your constant guidance, loving gestures, and inspiring thoughts, you have helped us reach this day. Unaccumulated 7 years in our elementary struggle has commenced. We know that words are not enough to thank you, but we give you the assurance that we will continue to soar high and be the best that we can be. Celebrate with our triumph today, and we will have more celebrations of our success in the coming graduation ceremonies that we strive to have in life. Your presence will surely give significance in this momentous occasion. From the bottom of our hearts, the graduates of Batch 2024, we say thank you, and you are most welcome.